Oh, look at that one. You can't see shit.
Yeah,
Where the police? 12 seconds of nothing. Just remember.
You're like 12 seconds of nothing.
Whoa! Something moved! Just a screen up.
Oh,
Florida.
fuck.
Oh my god! He keeps coming back. Oh, look at that. Oh, Chevy SS. Next one, bro.
He's gonna practice in there before he comes here. Yo, get ready, bro. If he does burnouts over there.
Don't worry, I'll jump.
Oh, you'll jump in front of him?
Oh, finally a car moved. A minute it took. Piece of shit.
Oh, look at this bad boy right now. Look at this.
Oh! Watch, it's gonna go on 2 wheels, man. Where do you will?
Van Diesel shit right here.
Yeah. That's the thing.
He'll do a smoky burnout. I know that for sure.
Tell him.
Yo, do a smoky burnout, buds! Oh, fuck.
Right next door.
Yo. Come on, bro. Spin those tires. Yo, spin that rubber. Burn that rubber.
But don't worry, I got it on video. Oh, my gosh.
Oh, gosh.
I like those smoke lights, though. Ooh, M3. Banana.
Oh, pink and...
head fake. Head fake. Oh. Ooh.
Yo, what the fuck? This guy with the SS is just sitting there.
Police.
What?
Undercover.
Yeah, that probably is undercover. Yeah, he's different.
No, it's not.
I saw that guy too. That guy was speeding.
No, this guy will speed way ahead of us. This guy will leave him in the dust. Oh, there's been 3 minutes of shit.
Baby, I'm a superstar.
Oh,
Superstar.
Yeah. I think we should put on pause. Yeah.
No, bro!
Okay, whatever. I'll leave it all there.
Pause it.
Pause it.
Oh, fucking pause
The left silver one.
This one?
There.